Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and again this is Gab the Gamo, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna discuss to you ano mga components of basic components of exponents, tapos yung mga mamaya tuturuan ko po sa iyo kung ano mga laws of exponents. So when we say exponents, it's the repeated multiplication of the same thing by itself. In meaning that kung anong numbers dito, multiply po ilang beses by the number itself. So I have here an example. There are two parts. One is the base, tapos yung pangalawa yung exponent o yung tinawag siyang power o kaya raised to yun lang. So when we read about like a mathematical sentence, pwede siya tawagan 3 raised to 2 or 3 or 3 raised to a power of 2. So ang 3 ang base. Ang base kasi is the main number kung anong dapat ita-times mo kasi same number po. Tapos yung maliit na number sa taas, exponent. Ay, sorry guys. Yung naibon po yung exponents sa subscript. Yung subscript sa baba, yung exponent sa taas. Yung exponent po, kung yan ang ilang beses dapat i-multiply. So, kung 3 raised to 2, ang ibig sabihin yan, 3 times 3. Yan ang resulta po makukuha. So, 3 times 3 or kasi 3 raised to 2. So, ang sagot yan is 9. So, that laws of exponents. Sa law of exponents, walo yun ang law of exponents. So, unahin number sa base, tapos i-raise mo to 1, same number po, or meaning raised to 1 na yung base ng number is the same number by itself. So I have here x raised to 1. So ibig sabihin yan 1 x 1 kunya 1 raised to 1 is 1 also. So x raised to 1 is x. So 3 raised to 1 3 and 10 raised to 1 is 10. Kahit po 1 billion or 1 million raised to 1 is always the same number itself. Another is 20. Ay, wait lang ha. Na nangyari ng tablet ko. Sorry. 20 raised to 1 is equal to 20. Second law, ang pangalawang law, sorry na, corrected yung file screening ko. So, any number raised to 1 is, any number raised to 0 is always 1. So, kung anong number na raised to 0, laging 1 dapat. Any number raised to 0 ay laging 1 dapat. So, x raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 8 raised to 0 is 1 and 5 raised to 0 is 1 also. Kahit any number, kunwari 1 million or 10,000 raised to 0 is always 1. So ito yung po yung third law. When the exponent is negative, turn into reciprocal. Meaning, kung negative ang number nyo dyan, nakulang pa ako, sorry, magiging fraction na yan. Kasi yung automatically, magiging 1 over x raised to 3, okay? So, kunyari, 1, x raised to negative 3, tapos turn into reciprocal, that's 1 over x raised to 3. Then 3 raised to negative 4. So 1 raised to 3 over negative over 1 over negative 3 raised to 4. So dapat alamin mo yung mga multiplications, yung mga exponents. So 3, 9, 27, and 81. Tingin ko nga kung tama. Tama po. 3 raised to 1 over 2 raised to 4 is 1 over 81. Kung gusto mo maging decimal na yan, magiging 0.01 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dito po, hindi mo kailangan mag-turn ng decimal kasi medyo mahirapan yun. So, i-delete ko na lang po at this point. So, kung 5 over 5 raised to negative 2, again, reciprocal tayo, 1 over 5 raised to 2. And that give us 1 over 25. So, ang next law po, ang base raised to a power and raised to another power ay ang fourth law. So, I have an example. X raised to m and then raised to n, magiging x raised to m times n. So, kung x raised to 2, then times 8, then raised again to 8, so magiging x, wait lang, magiging 2 raised to 2 times 8, or simply as x raised to 16. Next po is 8 raised to 1, then raised to 3. So, magiging 8 raised to 1, then 3. Or simply known as 8 raised to 3. Tapos, pwede naman maging pwede mag-simplify ulit. So, 8 times 8 times 8 or 8 raised to 3 is equal to 512. Next naman po is 4 raised to 5 raised to 2. So, 4 raised to 5 times 2, or pwedeng 4 over 10, or kung gusto mo mag-simplify, magiging 1,048,576. Ay, wait lang. Naduling ako. So, the fifth law po is multiply the same base and then add this exponent. So, ibig sabihin, multiply the base and then add ng exponent. So, kunyari, 2 raised to 3, then 2 raised to 2, so maging 2 raised to 5. Or, kung gusto mo maging simple, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, 32 ang tamang sagot. At saka, Another example is 4 raised to 1, then times 4 raised to 2. So, 4 maging 4 raised to 3, or kung gusto mo ulit mag-simplify, magiging 64 na yun. Next naman po is just the 6th law, same base, then subtract the exponents. So, makikita mo yung sa yung display example. So, m raised, x raised to m over x raised to o magiging equals to x then raised to m minus o. So, I have an example is 3 raised to 6 then 3 raised to 3 over, so mag-subtract na ng exponent, so magiging 3 raised to 3. Bakit? Bibigay kita ng display sa fraction bar. So, sa top na yan, I have 6 x's tapos 3 x. So, pwede siya magka-cancel dito dahil pareho lang yun. So, ito yung matitira. So, let's say your x acts as 3. So, maging x over x raised to 3. So, magiging 27 na yun ang sagot. Next naman po, the 7th law is multiply the two bases raised to a power. So, for example, magdi-distribute lang po ang mga base dahil sa exponent dito. So, x times y sa parenthesis na yan raised to m. So, equals x raised to m and then times y raised to m. Or, kung gusto mo, maging simple, any letter, kasi ang variables, any letter from A to Z pwede gamitin. So, O and then P raised to 2. So, magiging O raised to 2 times P raised to 2. Oh, and another example, A times C raised to 6. Magiging A raised to 6 times C over 6. By the way, yung 7th and 8th law na yun, mas madali. Kasi compared sa last law, maiba yung mga operations like multiplication and division lang po. And here's the last law. Divide the two bases plus raised to a power. So, fraction naman yun. So, reciprocal naman ulit. Lagay mo yung fraction. So, kunyari, E over G raised to 9. So, wait lang, mukhang 9 dapat ha. So, E raised to 9 divide over G over 9. Pareho lang yun kasi nagdi-distribute lang po yung mga variables dito. And last example, hindi naman G. Gusto ko ibang letter. Wait lang. X over Z raised to 10. So, magiging x raised to 10 and c over 10. I hope matutunan po lahat ng mga basic concepts of exponents at saka yung law of exponents. So, let's do a recap. The first law, any number raised to 1 is the number itself. Number 2, second law, raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 is always 1. Third law, when the exponent is negative, turn into reciprocal. Fourth law, base raised to a power and then raised another power. The fifth law is multiply the base and add the exponents. Same goes sa sixth law, same base, then subtract the exponents. The seventh one is multiply the two bases raised to a power and divide the two bases raised to a power. So, I hope natutunan po lahat ang mga discussions ko today. So, sa ulitin na lang po, maraming po salamat. Work from home muna ulit si Kuya at babalik na naman po ulit mamaya o bukas para sa next lesson po. Okay? Thank you po.